about fraction. And my name is Ita R.
My name is Leoni D.
My name is Lala Fira D.
We are from Mathematics Education Class A.
Happy watching!
Well, what is a fraction? Fraction is something that shows parts of a whole. Fraction numbers are numbers that consist of two numbers, namely number as numerator and number as denominator. Fraction have the formula A over B by B not equal by 0, where A is called a numerator and B is denominator. There is 5 types of fraction. Number 1, ordinary fraction. Fraction that consists only of numerator and denominators. The example is 1 over 3 and 1 over 2. Number 2, mixed fraction. Fraction consists of integers, numerator and denominators. The example is 5, 1 over 4. Number 3, decimal fraction. Number obtained from dividing a number by 10, 100, 1000, and so on. Decimal fraction are usually marked with a comma. The example is 0.3. Number 4 is percent fraction. Is a number divided by 100. The example is 20%. Number 5 is per mil fraction. A number divided by 1000. The example is 10 per mil. And now we will just learn about ordinary fraction and mixed fraction.
Next topic is about add and subtract a fraction. Before we can add or subtract a fraction, the fraction need have a common denominator. What is common denominator? Common denominator is when two or more fractions have same denominator. For the example, 1 over 5 plus 2 over 5. Get it? How to make the denominator to become a common denominator? You can use multiply a bottom number to other bottom number of other fraction. Okay, we can write down if I have a fraction A over B plus C over D, it's mean about A over B multiplied by D over D and plus C over D multiplied by B over B. And then it's similar about A D plus C B over B D. Can you get it? And now let's try it. If I have 1 over 3 plus 4 over 5 you can answer by 1 multiplied by 5 over 3 multiplied by 5 plus 4 multiplied by 3 and 5 multiplied by 3. And the answer is 5 over 15 plus 12 over 15, and the answer is 17 over 15. Okay, that's I have 3 steps how to adding fraction. Step 1 is you must make sure the bottom number or the denominator is the same. Okay, and step 2 is at the top number, put that answer over the denominator. And the last is simplify the fraction if you need it. Okay? Next topic about subtracting fraction. It's the same, similar to how answer the adding fraction, but the difference is that minus. So have a look. If I have 2 over 3 minus 1 over 2, okay, so you can answer it by 2 multiplied by 2 over 3 multiplied by 2 minus 1 multiplied by 3 over 2 multiplied by 3, and you counting that, you can get it 4 over 6 minus 3 over 6, and the answer is 1 over 6. So easy. And how about if we have mixed fraction? Don't worry, the way to answer that fraction is similar to others. So for example, I have 1 over 3 plus 2 1 over 4. Then you change this mixed fraction to simple fraction. The answer is 1 multiplied 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 2 multiplied by 4 plus 1 over 4. And if you counting this, you can get 4 over 3 plus 9 over 4. And then you must make the denominator to become a common denominator. So you can change to 12. 4 is 16, and 9 multiplied by 3 is 27, and the denominator is 12. Okay, you can get it over here. Okay, the answer is 16 plus 27 is 43. And the last topic is subtracting a mixed fraction. For the example, if I have 2 over 4 minus 1 over 4. So we must change it to simple fraction. So 2 multiplied by 4 plus 2 is 10 over 4, and 1 multiplied by 4 plus 1 is 5. So we get 5 over 4. because the denominator is common denominator, we can subtract this fraction. So we will get 5 over 4.
Okay guys, the next we are going to learn about multiplied, also divide of the fraction. Okay, let's see the picture. From this picture, we can see that there is a 2 pizza. The first pizza we can write 2 over 8. Why 2 over 8? Because there is 2 part over 8 part, and the second one is 1 over 4. We have 1 part of 5 part. So we can see that this part is same. So we write equals right there, but the number of the fraction is different. So what is the problem? There is no problem. 2 over 8 is equal or similar with 1 over 4. Why? Because we can use simplification. Okay, this is the reason why 2 over 8 equals with 1 over 4. Because we can write 2 over 8 become 2 multiplied by 4 like this. And we can divide the top of the fraction and the bottom of the fraction by 2. We can divide by 2. So when we divide this number with 2, we will get 1 over 4 like this. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and then 2 multiplied by 4 divide 2, we will get 4. We will get 2 rules how to use multiply. The first is we can use by divide the top and the bottom of the fraction by the same number, and the second if we need to make it more simple. And then about divide, we can write A over B divided by C over D. This is different with the multiply, but we have to turn over C over D become like this. A over B multiplied by turn over C over D. D over C like this. So same as the step to solve this problem. A multiplied by C, B multiplied by D, like this. A multiplied by D over B multiplied by C. So this is the example. 1 over 3 multiplied by 4 over 7. So the result is 1 multiplied by 4 is 4 over 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. Like this. And then divide. We can solve this problem by turn 4 over 7 become 7 over 4, and divide become multiplied, and it just like this, and from this we will get 7 over 12 like this. So the next is example of multiplied from mixed fraction with the simple fraction. How to solve this? we have to change the mixed fraction become a simple fraction. And before we have learned 1 multiplied by 3 and then plus 2, it will get 5 over 3 and then multiplied by 4 over 2. From this, we will get 5 multiplied by 4 is 20 over 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, and this is the result. But we can make it more simple again, like to make it simplify, with divide the top and the bottom of the fraction with the same number. For example, with 2, we have to divide the top and the bottom of the fraction with the same number to make this fraction become simple. So 20 divided by 2 become 10 over 6 over 6 divided by 2 become 3. So 10 over 3 is the symbol of the fraction. But we can say that 20 over 6 similar or equals with 10 over 3. And then the next is divide. Question is 1, 2 over 3 divided by 4. Same with this step, we have to change the mixed fraction become the simple fraction. This is 1 multiplied by 3 plus 2. We will get 3 over 5 over 3. And then we have to turn over the 4, become 1 over 4. Why? Because we know that 4 similar or equals with 4 over 1, and when we turn over into multiplied, it will become 1 over 4. Also this divide become multiplied, and the answer is 5 multiplied by 1 is 5 over 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, and 5 over 12 is simple, and we cannot simplifying again, so the result just 5 over 12 like this.
That's all about a fraction, and thank you.
Bye bye! See you next time.